What'd you lose, the spring?
Just dropped the freaking...
The bolt is right here.
Good catch.
Oh, I didn't catch it. It helps to have all in there before you put it all together.
Yeah, sometimes.
That's why I try to get the bottom one first, but you do what you gotta do. I use the ratchet and
Yeah,
extension.
that's what I was, you were busy with it, so
I know, somebody stole it. Yeah, it still works correctly. Look at that. 7/16, in case you forgot.
couldn't forget us fishing.
Fishing. Fishing expedition. That's going to slip all the way through though, because it's not that kind of a socket.
Point. You got a point.
I don't have the other style. You have to use a shorty, which I don't like. I use the long one.
Yeah, well, it drops all the way down to the back of it, so.
Yeah, you put my bolts in there and fish on it. The two bolts inside the solenoid are hard to get to under there. Got it?
That's it.
Move around a little bit. You got it now.
Yeah, it's in there now.
Okay. Don't cross thread it though. Cross threading sucks. Bring the other side down a little bit. You go back and forth on these things, it works. Did you put the rubber up inside here like you're supposed to?
Yeah, it's up there.
Okay, good deal. This is a new improved, so instead of just an umbrella seal here, it actually goes around the top. It gets pinched behind the other piece. Redundant sealing.
Throw too much and not enough, huh?
It'll still leak probably. Then you got to fish that starter motor up in there, which is going to be fun. Long-winded bolt.
Yeah.
There it goes. Oh, there it goes, and you broke it. There you go. Is that the torque wrench? Just go until you strip it and back off a quarter turn.
There you go.
Unless you want to be conservative, go half a turn.
Okay.
So that's why we didn't disconnect all those wires, because it made it easier.
Saves us all that work.
That's right, we didn't have to deal with it. Look at that. It's almost like it's made for it now. Why is this rubbing on top of the hot wire? Who designed that? That's not a good plan. See, that's on top of it right now, hard into it. You yank that down a lot more.
Happy now?
And much better. Let's put this back where it belongs. It's not adjusted correctly or something. Doesn't go over center. It's supposed to go over center.
Well, when we get the clutches all together, we'll mess with that.
Alright. Alright, I'm going to dick with that starter motor. That'll be fun. Go on the other side over there and start fishing. Where's my big screwdriver at, or something important? There we go. Did you get it already?
I don't think it'd be that big of a deal.
Except you don't have it on top of the studs.
Oh, is it important?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let me back it up and get it.
Yeah, I'll do the flashlight for you. Well, hold on, you tore the gasket, all the hell that's in there.
Oh, shit.
Pull it out. Hold on. Let me fix the gasket. Oh, you ripped that crap out of that gasket. Start has to go up in the air. The gasket's destroyed right now. Oh, you got a stud in the way. There you go. Okay, the front has to go down. You have to rotate the starter a bunch. There you go. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm trying to fish it up in there for you. Okay, come up slowly. Okay, your arm a little bit. Pull the back one on. Rotate up slightly, wiggle a little bit. Oh, the gasket's the problem.
Gasket's the problem.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Put the gasket back where it belongs. Hold on, hold on.
It's on now.
You're good. Pull, push. Bingo. She's in there, boss.
Okay. Hardware.
Those are fun to do. So you get the starter up on that side. So you put the screwdriver inside the hole in there to pick it up and pivot the starter off of. And you have to rotate it until it goes on over the stud over here, which you can't even see back in there. Maybe you can see slightly, but I can't tell on the camera. Okay, so there's a couple nuts laying right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think
Are they lock nuts or regular nuts? What are they?
there are a pair of these.
Those are not lock nuts.
Vintage sort of lock nuts, I
Yeah,
guess.
those are lock nuts.
No washers, though, I guess.
Washers cost money.
Yeah.
You can almost get in there too. It doesn't look like I even had a washer in there. You should have a washer in there, but how much stud's hanging out? A lot, isn't it? Oh yeah, you got bootlegs done. I'm thinking some washers and a couple of real lock nuts might be nice.
Yeah.
I'm also thinking a nice long extension would be like really nice. So that's why you come over here and you go, let's see, what are we looking for? That looks like about the right length extension, see? Nice 14 incher, 16 inch. There you go.
I'll get you all the way around the block.
That'll get you in there. And a couple of small little 1/4 inch washers. And a couple 1/4 inch fine threaded lock nuts, which would be way over here in the lock nut department. Uh-oh. Ooh, we only got 2 left. Don't use a lot of 1/4 inch fine thread nuts around here. Okay, that's the last 2 1/4 inch lock nuts. You better not lose these. That's all you're gonna get. We're out. Okay.
Time to reorder.
Oh, these are heavy duties. These are nice fat ones. Those are good ones. These are grade 8. We're not using cheap ass washers here. These are good ones. Is this bike worth it?
Sure.
Where's your stubby? Should have been right here in front, right next to this one. That's the guy. So what's the height of the nut when you put it in there?
Sorry?
Put the nut in there. How high is it? So you can use another nut behind that one.
There's one right here.
Is this a stubby one?
Huh?
There you go. There you go.
Happy now?
There you go. You get the washer up in there though. How you gonna do that?
I might sneak in from the other side. On the top, or the back one maybe, but
not the front one.
you got a magnet?
Nope.
What kind of outfit you running here?
How about a long ass screwdriver?
Something.
Piece of welding rod? A lot of welding rod. I ain't got much in the way of screwdrivers. You got a lot of welding rod though. You want a straight piece or a curved piece? Where's the other one at?
What?
Give me one.
A flashlight. Oh, it's right here.
I don't have a flashlight. You got a nut?
Yeah.
Give me a nut.
Right.
Nut job. See, I got good access here. Kind of. I can get onto the stud, but I can't get the rotate on the stud. Okay, I don't want to start. Nope. hooked, but we're not turning. We're hooked on there, but we can't turn the nut. Is that the right thread? Yeah. There you go. You didn't think I'd be able to do that, did you?
You didn't pay attention to the truth. I'm still trying to
What are you doing on your
angle
side?
this thing over here.
You got a screwdriver? Where you at? Stick it in there.
Hold on.
Hold it up where you want it.
Hold on. Get the hell away from it so I can get it where it needs to be. Okay. You can push it on now. It would have made my day.
If I didn't have something in the way, I could do it. What do you pull it off for?
It's just not easy to
Push.
move.
Push. See, I have a problem. I got a limitation device in my way.
Yeah, got it. It's on there.
You're on there.
All right.
Two-hand job getting that in there. See, I have a limitation device right here in my way. Oh, he's got a good line of sight on that thing. Look at that. Almost like he knew what he was doing there, huh? That was way quicker than getting mine on. You could have helped a lot more on mine if you were wasting so much time putting that washer on there. Mine's already up in there. Look at that. It fits right in there, that nice long extension. It's almost like I might have done that before, huh? Look at that. It's got 2 more inches left over you could have had. That's why I don't use my foot-long one. Those extra 3 or 4 inches make a big difference there. He's going for the torque on that. Oh, look at that. Oh, he thinks that's a good new stud and everything in there, doesn't he? He went for it. Full torque.
Okay.
She's in there? It's in there?
Yeah.
All right. Where's your little support piece that comes off of here?
Well, everything's laying here. Somewheres.
Somewheres there's another part.
It'll be here.
A small little bracket. Shim to fit. Spot to the lock washer. Oh, you're scratching the chrome now. I see it.
I gotta be here.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
Find it? I know where that goes. It goes on the other side of the bike.
Right.
You need a bracket that goes on here.
It's gotta be here.
See, they got these spacing and shimming out and everything. There's all kinds of stuff behind you. There's a whole nother tranny back here.
Stuff in
There's a
front.
primary behind you. There's a start. There's a whole nother bike over here. Look at that. How'd that happen? Oh, they're throwing stuff at us out there. That appears to be missing.
I've seen the damn thing. Where the hell did it go?
You saw it. Well, that means
Somewhere.
that means you must have it if you saw it. When was the last time you saw it?
It's a stumper.
I don't know. Get some Craig wheel covers. Put them on there. That'll make it go faster. Somebody put it all the way in the front of the bike? You never put the stuff in the back of the bike all the way in the front. Alright, well, we must have too much crap out, so we're going to make a little spring cleaning job around here and we'll go find a bracket. We'll be back.